Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a very effective organic black soap for stubborn pimple. But before that, if you're yet to subscribe this channel, please do so. I will really appreciate it. It encourages me to upload more helpful videos for you all. So let's get started. So firstly, I'm putting my Ghana black soap into a bowl. I'm making a very small quantity. Then I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of rose water to it. So I'll be melting it via double boiler method. So while it is melting, I will measure all my powders and mix them in a separate bowl, okay? So in the bowl, I'm putting half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of basil powder, one teaspoon of neem powder, a pinch of sulphur, one teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of activated charcoal, half teaspoon of arrowroot powder, one teaspoon of clove powder. Then I'll mix it all. So back to the black soap. I don't really want it to be completely melted, so I'm just mixing up the ones that are unmelted together with the melted part. Hope you understand. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of my coconut oil. Half teaspoon of mint oil. Half teaspoon of lime juice. So now I'm adding my powder mixture into the black soap. Then I'm stirring it gently and just making sure it is properly mixed. After which I will keep it overnight before usage. Guys, this organic pimple soap is very effective, very effective. As I told you all in my previous video, which was about promixing a super effective pimple cream, the link will be in the description box below in case you missed it. I used this soap alongside with the pimple cream and the result, guys, was breathtaking. You really need to try this soap. Also, to aid your pimple treatment, always be sure to keep your face clean at all times. You can also make use of your wipes just to make sure your face is always clean. Try to keep your beddings clean as well, and also do not touch your face, guys. If you are one of those that have the habit of touching your face, you have to put an end to it now, because it will only worsen your pimple case, okay? So this is the final result of our organic pimple black soap. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also please don't forget to subscribe this channel. And when you do click the notification bell icon to get notified when next I upload a new video. See you all in my next video. Bye.